Hello, hi. My name is Nyara Kafai, a senior Linux system administrator at Promised Land. So this video demonstrates the Linux deployment of our new Independence Missouri data center. The server is running Ubuntu 26.4 long-term support on Amazon Web Service EC2, configured as a file server with Samba, and I will be using it in this instance in the Oregon region. So, so I'm logged in via EC2 instance connect and to verify the MOTD to display manually using cat etc MOTD, and here is the MOTD. So this is the storage allocation and mounting, which I ran LSBLK and DF-H. And as you can see, these are the disks that are available. The 40 gigabyte one is here as data one on NVMe 1N1, NVMe 1N1, 40 gigabytes on mounted on data one. And you've got the boot and the EFI and the root, the home, sorry. Then these are the allocations available to the storage available. Next up is the file safer rows, and if you can check here on system CTL status NFS safer, no page ahead 5, right? Shows that NFS and Samba are both active and running. This is for NFS, then this is for Samba. They are both running, supporting Linux and Windows clients. Then on file permissions, that is set GID. So LA data one returns this result, which that so on file permissions, each department has its own directory. Notice the S in DRWX RWS. That's the set that's the set GID bit. So new files inherit the correct files in the correct group ownership automatically. Security measures with ran get FACL, then data one operations, where Kari Shoemaker, our CIO, has read-only access via ACLs. So you can see Kari, but she can read but not write. File, right, on file sudo UFW status verbose. The file now is active with a default deny incoming policy. Right, yes, you can see a default deny incoming but allow outgoing. Right. So secure shell and NFS and Samba are allowed, but all other ports are blocked. Scheduled reboot, a cron job here, sudo cron tab dash. So what happens now is the cron job runs every January 1st. The Reaper script checks here January 1st. Then the Reaper script checks if the year is even and reboots only then when it's even. That implies that it reboots after every 2 years as required, and also as indicated in the final proposal. Sudo apt upgrade Y shows that the result here, if you check summary, upgrading 0, installing 0, removing 0, not upgrading 0, simply means that as well as here simply means repositories and packages are kept current with regular updates. Installed MUTT, a command line email client, not included by default, but to demonstrate package installation capability. And after that, here, sudo ukari shkumeka lsla data one operation. So what's happening here is while listically carry shoemaker, sorry, can list files, but when he tries to create a file, he gets a permission denied. As you can see here, failed to create a file using the touch command, cannot touch data one operation tested.txt, permission is denied, confirming that she only has read access but cannot write as wanted. Demonstration, all 10 required elements are configured and verified, and these are the server access via secure shell, the file server, and NFS, with the NFS and Samba, then the set GID permissions on the team folders, firewall with the proper rules, storage mounted at data one, a CL for Carisho Maker, a custom MOTD, a 2-year reboot cron, updated system packages and MUTT installed. Now, what this means is the server is now secure, production ready, and aligned with the promised lane's requirements. Thank you so much.